morning all. Today we are going to discuss about chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of inheritance proposed by Sutton and Boveri in 1902. Sutton and Boveri 1902. Who proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance? One mark question. Sutton and Boveri 1902. Who confirmed the chromosomal theory of inheritance? T.H. Morgan, Thomas Hunt Morgan in 1933. So then chromosomes means colored bodies. Chromosomes means colored bodies visualized by staining. Then according to this theory, material of inheritance means nothing but gene. Material of inheritance present at the sites of the chromosomes. According to this concept, the behavior of chromosomes is parallel to behavior of genes. Very, very important. The behavior of chromosomes are parallel to behavior of genes. Very, very important concept. What is the principle of chromosomal theory of inheritance? What is the concept of chromosomal theory of inheritance? Behavior of chromosomes was parallel to behavior of genes. How chromosomes behavior was there? Same to same, genes behavior like that. That is the meaning of that. Chromosomes to genes both are pairs. Chromosomes to genes both are pairs. Two alleles of genes present on homologous sites of the chromosomes. Chromosomes also pairs. Genes also pairs. Two alleles of a gene means a gene having two alleles. Two alleles of a gene present on homologous sites of the chromosomes. For example, rough Fuji, here I'll give that. This is nothing but cell. A cell inside the nucleus is there. This is the nuclear membrane. A having chromatin material of chromosomes there. The chromatin material condenses to form chromosomes. A chromatin having genetic material DNA. Chromosome having genetic material DNA. DNA consists of genes. The gene consists of alleles. That meaning. So here two alleles of a gene present on homologous sites of the chromosomes. That is important. Sutton and Boveri further proposed that Sutton and Boveri further proposed that pairing of chromosomes. Pairing and separation of chromosomes leads to segregation of factors they carry. Segregation of factors they carry. So this is a very important concept. So sir, what is the meaning of Sutton and Boveri further proposed that pairing or separation of chromosomes. Pairing means two. Pairing of chromosomes. Two chromosomes pairs. Pairing of chromosomes and separation. This is separation. A separation of chromosomes leads to segregation of factors. Factors are segregate, they carry. I mean of that, during the segregation of chromosomes or separation of chromosomes, then factors also segregate, and each chromosome carries factors. That is the meaning of that. So pairing of chromosome. A pairing means here one chromosome, here one chromosome. A pairing of chromosome means a already chromosome paired that need to be segregate now. That need to be separate. For example, we have 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs. One chromosome, 23 pairs, each pair, one chromosome come from father, one chromosome come from mother. So from father there is a pair, from mother there is a pair. So from that, for pairing in offspring, then from father chromosome separate, mother chromosome separate. So pairing and separation segregation of chromosomes lead to segregation of factors they carry. And one more important, Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with the Mendelian principles. Chromosomal segregation. This is a very important. Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with the Mendelian principles. Chromosomal segregation with the Mendelian principles and called the chromosomal theory of inheritance. What is the concept of chromosomal theory of inheritance? So chromosomal segregation combined with the Mendelian principles, combinedly called. So Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with the Mendelian principles, and it is called the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal segregation, separation, segregation. Mendelian concepts, principles of Mendelian laws, combinedly called chromosomal theory. It seems to be somewhat confusion. We need to try to understand. I'll repeat. So chromosomal theory of inheritance proposed by Sutton and Boveri in 1902. Chromosomal theory confirmation given by T.H. Morgan in 1933. Chromosomes are nothing but colored bodies. Chromosome means colored bodies visualized by staining. Then according to this theory, material of inheritance, that means genes present on chromosomes. Then the behavior of chromosomes was parallel to behavior of genes. This is the main principle. How behavior of chromosomes there, same to same behavior of genes also same like that. Then chromosomes to genes to both are pairs. Then two alleles of a gene present on homologous sites of the chromosomes. Then Sutton and Boveri further proposed that a pairing and separation of chromosome leads to segregation of factors they carries. Then Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with the principles of Mendelian concepts is called chromosomal theory of inheritance. Now see, then chromosomes to genes to comparison. What is the comparison between chromosomes and genes? Concept chromosomal theory of inheritance. One side chromosomes, one side genes. Chromosomes to genes. Chromosomes also occurs in pairs. Genes also pairs, occurs in pairs only. Then chromosomal, during the formation of gametes, chromosomes are segregate. During the formation of gametes, chromosomes are segregate, and each gamete having one chromosomes. Genes also. These genes also, during the formation of gametes, these genes also segregate. Segregate means separate. Genes also segregate. Then here important word, these two points are common in both chromosomes and genes. It is there in textbook also, you can see. Then you see here chromosomes independently paired chromosomes segregate independently of another pair. Independently of another pair. Independently of each other. But here what happened? Paired genes segregate. of another pair. Independently of another pair. Sir, what is the meaning of this point, sir? ये थोड़ा confusion देखो. It is also occurs in pairs. Chromosomes occurs in pairs. That's present in nucleus. Genes also pairs, but present in chromosomes. Then during the formation of gametes, chromosomes are segregate. Each chromosomes segregate. Each gamete having one chromosome. Then genes, during the formation of gametes, genes also segregate. Then independently paired chromosomes segregate independently of each other. देखो here, this is nothing but two chromosomes. ये two chromosomes are independently segregate. ये paired chromosome ना, paired chromosome independently, here one, independently segregate each other. But here what happens, sir? Here this is a chromosome, sir. Chromosomes. These two are genes. ये paired chromosome. ये paired genes present on chromosomes. So these paired genes segregate independently of another pair. This is the meaning. ये two paired genes. ये paired genes segregate. Here segregate. ये paired genes are segregate independently of another pair. I mean, these segregation not depend upon this pair. ये paired genes are segregate independently of another pair. Chromosomes means ये chromosomes only segregate like this. Chromosomes independently paired chromosomes segregate of each other. ये paired genes present on chromosomes. ये paired genes are segregate independently of another pair. For example, here A, B, C, D there na. So AB segregate, CD segregate. AB segregate and CD segregate. So for example, here A, B segregate, then it comes C here. Chances. Here B comes D, like that. So independently paired chromosomes segregate independently of another one. ये paired genes present on chromosomes segregate independently of another pair. This is nothing but a comparison between chromosomes and genes. From this, we just need to recall some information about division, mitosis, meiosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells. Parent cell divided into two daughter cells. There is two important phases are there. One is a karyokinesis and a cytokinesis. Karyokinesis again divided into four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Important events. Prophase, nothing but end of the prophase, nuclear membrane, some cell organelles disappear. Spindle association will start. Chromatin material condensation. Chromatin condensation forms. Metaphase, kinetochore, centromere, chromatids, so all are present in equatorial plate. That is a metaphase. Then anaphase, chromosomes splits. Then the chromatids moves toward the opposite poles. Anaphase. Telophase, whatever the places, whatever the nuclear membrane disappear, cell organelles disappear, that are all will be reappears in a telophase. Finally, cytokinesis lead to two daughter cells. There is no change of chromosome number. That's why it is called equational division. Now come to chromosomal movement in meiosis division. So chromosomal movement in meiosis division, important one. Here meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, two types of divisions are there. It is occurs in sexual cells. The chromosome number may get reduced. Chromosome number is reduced in which of the following division? Meiosis, exactly. So meiosis 1 to meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 again divided into karyokinesis, cytokinesis. So before going to that, DNA replication, DNA synthesis or replication takes place in S phase of interphase. Important. DNA synthesis or replication of DNA takes place in which of the following phase? S phase of interphase. S phase. Important one. And some important events. Meiosis 1 having karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis again 4 stages: prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. A prophase 1 again having 5 substages. 5 substages. It is there. It is already discussed in first year. Leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin, diakinesis. So when compared to prophase mitosis, meiosis, prophase 1 mitosis somewhat difficult. Prophase 1 meiosis, prophase 1 meiosis. Meiosis 1 of prophase 1 somewhat lengthy and complicated when compared to mitosis prophase. Because here meiosis 1 में prophase 1 having 5 important substages are there: leptotin, zygotin, diplotin, pachytin, diplotin, diakinesis. Then meiosis 2 is as it is similar to mitosis. One by important events. Pairing of homologous chromosomes. Pairing of homologous chromosomes. This is nothing but like this. Pairing of homologous chromosomes is called a synapsis. Synaptomial complex. Pairing of homologous chromosomes is called a synapsis or synaptomial complex. That is occurs in synapsis. Important word. Synapsis or bivalent. It is occurs in zygotin. Pairing of homologous chromosomes. Bivalent. Synapsis or synaptomial complex. Zygotin. Then pachytin may what happens? Transfer of genetic information. Transfer of genetic characters in between non-sister chromatids of homologous pairs of chromosomes. Transmission of genetic character in between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes is called crossing over. Crossing over leads to recombination. Crossing over leads to recombinations. Crossing over leads to recombination. This is occurs in pachytin. Very important. Sir, how pachytin it is takes place? You can see here. This is nothing but homologous chromosomes. Pairing of these homologous chromosomes is nothing but synapsis. This is a zygote. These homologous chromosome transmission of genetic information like this. Transmission of genetic information in between non-sister chromatids. These two are sister, but compared to this one is a non-sister. Transmission of genetic information in between non-sister chromatids of homologous pairs of chromosomes is called a crossing over. This is a crossing over. A crossing over leads to recombination, new characters. That is occurs in a pachytin. Crossing over takes place in which phase? Pachytin. Recombination takes place in which phase? Pachytin. Very important. Then diplotin, important one. Dissolution of a synaptomial complex. Dissolution of synaptomial complex except X-shaped structure. This is X-shaped structure. That takes place in diplotin. X-shaped structure called chiasmata. X-shaped structures are called chiasmata. That is occurs in diplotin. Next, diakinesis. The final endings, nuclear membrane disappears. Some important changes will take place in diplotin. Next, metaphase 1. Metaphase 1, homologous pairs of chromosomes with chromatids. Then kinetochore, centromere, all are came in equatorial plate. That is nothing but metaphase 1. Anaphase 1, important one. Anaphase 1. During anaphase 1, a homologous pair chromosomes are separate. I mentioned that homologous pairing of homologous chromosomes are separate, while remain sister chromatids associated with them with the centromere. That is very important. Homologous chromosomes only separate. not separate. Sister chromatids are remain attached to them only. But anaphase there, chromosomes and chromatids are separate in anaphase. Anaphase 1 in meiosis 1, homologous chromosomes only separate. Sister chromatids are not separate. That is very important. Homologous chromosome means meiosis. Homologous chromosomes are nothing but meiosis. That is anaphase 1. Anaphase 1. Telophase is nothing but move to opposite pole. That is whatever happens. Next, meiosis to same. Mitosis, what happened? Here meiosis also same. In anaphase 2, what happened? Briefly, anaphase 2. Chromosomes separate. Chromatids separate. Anaphase 2. How? Mitosis takes place. So in mitosis, one parent cell produce 2 daughter cells, but in meiosis, one parent cell produce 4 daughter cells. Chromosome number no change in mitosis, but chromosome number is reduced. Chromosome number is reduced in meiosis. Actually, original meiosis 1 only, that to anaphase 1 only, chromosome number is reduced. Chromosome number is reduced in which of the following phase? Anaphase 1. Anaphase 1 of prophase 1, anaphase 1 of meiosis 1. Exactly. One meiosis 1 results 2 daughter cells. Meiosis 2, 4 daughter cells. Of course, asking meiosis 4 daughter cells. Meiosis 1, 2 daughter cells. Mitosis 2 daughter cells. That are the important concepts. Now see here some 2 words. Nothing but linkage and recombinations. Linkage and recombinations. So linkage means what, sir? Linkage. Physical association of 2 genes. Physical association of 2 genes. Physical association of 2 genes or genes. Physical association of 2 genes on chromosome is called linkage. We'll go through very deep level in coming to the classes. Linkage. For example, this is a chromosome. These are genes. This is association. The physical association of 2 genes are called a linkage. Recombinations. What is meant by recombination? Generation of non-parental combination. Generation of non-parental combinations. Generation of non-parental combinations is called recombinations. A recombination come by which of the following process? Crossing over. Very, very important. Crossing over. Recombination comes by crossing over. Crossing over takes place in which phase? Phagetin. Just now I said phagetin. Crossing over takes place in phagetin of prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Prophase 1 of meiosis 1. What is crossing over, sir? The transmission of genetic character in between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes is called a crossing over. A crossing over leads to recombination, new character. That's nothing but occurs in phagetin. That is a prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Recombinations. This is one type of important concepts.